I'm going to walk you through how to fix the failed to initialize Steam error. If you've ever experienced this issue, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when you're eager to dive into your favorite game. But don't worry, by the end of this guide, you'll have it sorted out with just a few simple steps. First, we need to open the Task Manager on your computer. This tool is essential for managing the applications and processes running on your system. To do this, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape all at once. Or you can simply right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the menu. Once the Task Manager is open, you'll see a list of all the active processes on your computer. Next, look for the Steam Client Web Helper in the list. The Steam Client Web Helper is part of the Steam application and can sometimes be the culprit behind the initialization issue. Scroll down, or if you have a lot of processes running, you might find it easier to use the search bar at the top right corner of the Task Manager. Once you locate the Steam Client Web Helper, click on it to highlight it. Now, with the Steam Client Web Helper selected, you'll want to click on the End Task button. This button is usually located at the bottom right of the Task Manager window. Clicking End Task will close the process, and it's a useful step to ensure that any background activity related to Steam that might be causing the problem is halted. After closing the necessary processes, let's move on to the next step. Go to the Steam application icon on your desktop or wherever you've installed it on your computer. Right-click on the Steam app. This will open a context menu with several options. From the context menu, select Run as Administrator. Running Steam as an administrator will give it the necessary permissions to make changes and initialize properly. This step can often resolve issues that arise from permissions, conflicts, or restrictions that prevent Steam from running correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the failed to initialize Steam error. Remember, the key actions here are to end the Steam Client Web Helper process and then run the Steam app as an administrator. These actions help reset the application and resolve any permission issues that might be blocking its startup. If you find that the problem persists even after these steps, it may be worth checking for updates to the Steam application or your computer's operating system, as outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as connectivity problems can also interfere with Steam's initialization. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this guide has helped you get back to your gaming adventures without any further hiccups. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Happy gaming!